to get our investment journey going, we just didn't want to be where everyone else was in the life. So the old blokes working at in my company, they're 60, 50, working day in, day out, and we didn't want to be there. So we had to do something, and come across OpenCorp and thought that was the right path.
It was just a simple process, and they explained how they do things, and it just resonated with us, and we bought the first property, and we wish we knew them 10 years earlier, because we probably would have been retired by now if we knew them 10 years earlier. But we recommend them to family and friends. We just love their simplified process. They walk you through, but they do all the hard yards. I'm really feeling positive about where we're at on our journey at the moment. We've got the apartment in Northcote, and we're just in the process of our third build through OpenCorp. Yeah, really looking towards the future and helping out the kids as well, and they're learning about the property investment journey, and they're keen to start theirs. I mean, they're still young, but they're already talking about theirs, so it's really positive. With 4 kids, we've got a very, very busy lifestyle, so it just means that that's one area of our life that we don't have to think about. They just notify us, and we're like, yep, great, really excited. We're taking those next steps, like our build's coming to a close for the third property through them, and it just makes it easy. We don't have to think about it. We're not having to invest time and emotion. The only emotions are positive emotions when, if we get into that next stage, so we're closer to getting tenants in, and it's exciting.
Having all these investment properties, it does give a huge amount of relief in the back of your mind. You know that if the world goes to poo, in the future, you can sell one of your properties and be fully covered weather any storm that comes through in your life.
In the beginning, as like new people to their company, they explain the steps that they go through, and they, why they look at particular properties and what areas they look into, and they go through your goals, what it is that you're wanting to achieve through property investment. And then the next meeting we had, they presented us with a couple of properties, and we basically chose one of them. They've got their in-house brokers and property managers and all that kind of stuff. So they walked us through all that process. So we signed the contracts. Again, you can use your own solicitors, or they've got ones that they recommend. And then we signed the contracts, and with each stage of the build, they send you photos of the build. You can go if you want to have a look at it, but we sort of detached ourselves from that, and we just wait till the photos come through the next stage, and then the brokers get in touch with us to sign for the next lot of payments, and it's quite a simple process, really. Plans for the future for us in terms of retirement, we've always believed in that delayed gratification, so we make the sacrifices now thinking about the long-term gains. I'm hoping to stop working at the age of 50. Mike might go a little bit longer, but hopefully not too much longer than that.
The advice I give everyone who is slightly interested in property investing is pick up the phone or email them and call them. They'll get in contact with you. They'll organise a meeting. They'll go through your situation. They'll cater everything to your situation. So give them a call. Give them an email, because that's the first step in your journey.